everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Clash Royale download error in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that you're connected to the internet well. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you must do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space on your device, or else Clash Royale will not download and you will have to delete some apps, videos and games before trying to download Clash Royale again. The other thing that you must ensure is that you're running the latest version of Android. For that, head over to System and then tap on System Updates. Here, check your Android version. If it is not updated to the latest version, simply update it. But if your device cannot be updated to the latest version, you will have to try some other device. The other thing that you must do is head over to Play Store, tap on You, and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. If not, try logging into your Google account before you try and download any app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.